How to pause OneDrive syncing in Windows. OneDrive's cloud storage lets you save your device files and folders automatically via regular syncing. So why do some users choose to pause it? This video will explain the benefits of pausing OneDrive syncing and show you how to do it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why pause OneDrive sync? While storing your files on a cloud storage like OneDrive safeguards them from potential loss, controlling OneDrive's syncing frequency also offers plenty of benefits. One problem with OneDrive syncing, especially for those with large file sizes, is that the process can consume system resources, slow down your PC, and result in file errors. By pausing or configuring it, you optimize storage management for both individual users and organizations, reduce high bandwidth use, and improve overall system performance. How to pause or stop OneDrive file syncing. There are 3 ways to pause OneDrive syncing. For a quick pause, go to OneDrive via the system tray and select Pause Syncing for a given duration. When managing multiple OneDrive accounts, configure account-specific controls by pausing on each individual account. For folder-level control, select specific folders to pause while maintaining the sync on selected files. However, if you want to stop the syncing completely, open OneDrive settings, select the account, and click Stop Sync. If needed, clean the cache and check your system logs for errors. Best OneDrive practices. On a final note, follow these best practices to optimize your OneDrive. Run large syncs outside business hours to avoid interruption. Structure and organize your account. And monitor your storage space to detect any defects and errors. When used properly, OneDrive is an excellent application to store your most important files. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to pause OneDrive syncing in Windows, linked in the description below.